for scrubs.
Need more small canisters. I will always need small canisters, which needs...
Dude, I made a medium canister and I can't even carry it. I'm pissed.
It's
too big.
Yeah, I mean, hey. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so this is where I have my organization, so I'll put that over there. That over there. I don't know why I would need all this organic, but I have it. There's my printer facility. I'm just gonna let that spin for a while. I need resin, which I am in the current process of making. I can make more canisters.
Cold storage will never not be funny. It's so dumb because we're getting so far into the game and it's still the most effective way to store things.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You took the shuttle.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. You needed it more.
I don't think so.
I'm covering up this hole you dug.
What?
Do you want the hole?
I don't know. I'm kind of grown sentimental to it. Okay. Congratulations, Mountain. You are now my bitch. Oh no, I need a drill mod. Halt all processes, I need a drill mod. And maybe a drill mod Mark II, because Jesus Christ. What do I need for that? I need... tungsten, that's not gonna happen. Ceramic, I can do that. I think. Oh, and I need tungsten carbide. Ceramic. I will know. Wide mod needs sync. I don't think I have that. Boost mod needs sync. Don't think I have that. Oh well.
I feel like I would be really efficient at this game if I could remember any of these things.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like part of the problem is that we're streaming it at the same time. I definitely retain information about games way worse when I'm streaming.
Fair. I'm willing to take that as an excuse. That's fine.
Like I can play Satisfactory aggressively because I played most of it like offline and learned all the things. But
right.
If I did that on stream, I would have been fucked.
I left it there. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Okay, now I need a shit ton of resin so I can kind of refine my workflow. Shit. Get back here.
You should only need to make them once. Moldrum, we die every half hour.
Correct. And to be fair, you've seen who is responsible for those deaths. It ain't me, it's the game. The game's being stupid.
I'm telling you, it's a misinterest.
Okay, so that's gonna make that, which means I'll have enough for making bigger platforms.
Oh
Whee.
no. Whee. Ah!
What's happening? What's you doing?
I think it's fine. The game was saving as I was falling, so I fell down a little bit further than I wanted to.
March. Okay. What did you need for batteries might also be good for me too.